Hey there, Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com. Today we're going over how to get more consistent shots and a better overall extraction. Let's get started. So a question I often get is, how can I pull better shots of espresso and maintain more consistency between those shots? Whether you're working from home or in a cafe, the answer is a little bit complex, but not that hard. So you're in luck. There's a few different points I'd like to go over today, so let's get started. Number one is going to be choosing the right espresso. You want to make sure the espresso you choose is a well-roasted and evenly roasted coffee in order to be able to replicate your shots. I like to go for more of a light to medium, but any roast will do. You also want to make sure your coffee isn't too fresh but not too old. Somewhere between 3 and 14 days is a good window to work with. My next recommendation is going to be making sure you're using the right grinder. Specifically here we want to be using a burr grinder like the one pictured here, which is the Mahlkönig X54. This has 54mm burrs and is a really great option if you're looking to upgrade. The burrs within this machine provide a very nice, even, and fine ground to give you the best possible espresso. My next recommendation is going to be using some sort of distribution tool after dosing with your burr grinder. What this is going to do is help evenly spread that espresso around before you actually tamp it in order to get an even bed. I can't stress enough how important preparation is before actually pulling your shot of espresso to ensure you get a good consistent shot each time. Which leads me to my next recommendation, which is going to be investing in an automatic tamper such as the Puck Press Mini here. The Puck Press Mini is great for prosumer home users or very small volume cafes. We also have some other options on the website if you're a higher volume cafe. The Puck Press is a really great machine that will give you between 20 and 60 pounds of pressure in a very even tamp every time. This machine really has upgraded my espresso game at home, and it would be really great for a cafe as well, for a multitude of reasons. It takes strain off your wrist from tamping back-to-back shots, it provides an exact amount of consistency, and allows you to replicate the exact recipe each time. It's great for training new baristas, as it's sometimes hard to teach how much pressure to use when tamping. This machine is really easy to operate and will drastically improve your espresso. I recommend starting somewhere around 30 pounds of pressure and then deciding if you want to go lower or higher after that. The Puck Press is really cool because it comes with a few different styles of tamping as well. The next critical component is obviously going to be your espresso machine. If you're pulling on an espresso machine that doesn't quite have enough pressure or maybe doesn't have the right pump, it really won't be able to provide you with the highest quality of espresso. So I definitely recommend, based on your situation, going for a single heat exchange or dual boiler system, such as the one pictured here, which is the Eagle One Prima from Victoria Arduino. This machine is really great because not only does it have a dual boiler, allowing you to brew and steam at the same time, but it also offers a really cool rotary pump that will allow for very consistent pressure when pulling a shot of espresso. The Eagle One offers a lot of really great features and can even be programmed with an app on your phone. So actually investing in a machine that can pull the shots of espresso you wish to see is going to be a really critical component here when trying to improve your overall extraction. Also, going with a machine that offers a pre-infusion or pre-wetting, such as this machine, will help you as well. The pre-infusion will allow for a more consistent pulling of your shot. As your bed is saturated in that pre-infusion process, it allows the water to move through evenly. The E1 Prima is a really great machine because it has this really great control panel and display up top where it shows you your shot timer automatically as soon as you start your shot. After that, when you're finished and you remove the portafilter, it even has an auto purge feature, which I think is really cool. So even though the E1 Prima might not be for you, at least look into some single, heat exchange, and dual boilers based on your price point. Overall, your choice of espresso, your grinder and burr set, using a distribution tool, an even and consistent flatbed every time, and what espresso machine you're using. All of these components combined are what's really going to help you achieve a better shot of espresso and be able to replicate it each time. So I hope I've been able to help you gain a little more insight on how to get an overall better extraction and more consistent shots. If you're interested in any of the machines pictured, head on over to majestycoffee.com. Our customer support team is standing by via live chat or phone to help you make the right decision. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.